If you're on the free ChatGPT plan, you can't connect the Gmail plugin. But with a paid plan, you can connect your Gmail account and let ChatGPT read, summarize, and even help manage your emails. And this is actually pretty powerful because you can automate tasks that would normally take you a few hours, while ChatGPT can handle or summarize them for you in just a few seconds. So let's connect Gmail with a paid ChatGPT account. First, head over to plugins. Here you'll see a bunch of different plugins, but for this example, let's click on Gmail. Now click on Install Plugin. This will redirect you to your Google account so you can give OpenAI access to your Gmail. Select the Gmail account you want to connect, click Continue, and then give OpenAI the required permissions. Select all the permissions and click Continue, and that's it. The Gmail plugin is now installed. Now let's actually try it out in ChatGPT. I'm going to create a separate project and use Gmail inside this project. When you create a project, you'll get an option to choose the memory type. The first option is default memory and the second one is project only memory. For now, I'm going to select default memory. We can also adjust how the model responds using this scroll bar option. And as you can see, ChatGPT has already added a prompt in the chat asking it to summarize the inbox and perform some other tasks. Let's click send, and I'm going to change the prompt to simply summarize my inbox. And there we go. ChatGPT has now read my inbox. I have 23,712 emails, and apparently I have no unread messages. But this is where things get really interesting. You can literally ask ChatGPT to send an email to a specific address, delete spam emails, or even create a scheduled job that reads your emails every day and sends you a summary in a single email. So instead of going through your emails one by one, you can have an agent handle a lot of this work for you automatically. People are already building agents like this and using them to save hours of repetitive work every single week.